Hello guys, what I'm going to show today is how you can set a document so other people can sign it instead of DocuSign, okay? Now, as you can see here, this is my DocuSign homepage, and what I want to do is I want to create a form, and I want to send it to some people so that they can sign it, okay? And actually, this is one of the crucial features inside of DocuSign, okay? So now, the first step is actually going to go into here, where it says Start. We're just going to click in here, and an envelope is going to be created. Now we have to click on upload, and we have to click on desktop or Google Drive or OneDrive, whatever our file is. But in my case, it's going to be like a local file, so I'm just going to click on desktop, and I'm going to select this form here, which I have downloaded. Okay, let's click in here. Now, what you want to do is you want to add your recipients in here, the people that are going to receive this email and that need to sign this document. So in here, you need to add their names. Okay. In my case, I'm just going to add my own email because I'm recording this video, but you should add the people that you want to sign this document, okay? And you can add actually multiple people by going into here. You can add multiple recipients, okay? If you want to send this to more people. I'm going to delete this for the purpose of this video, but yeah, this is what we have. And now you can customize your email subject, whatever you like, and your email message. For example, I can just type in sign in here tester. Okay, so this is what I can actually do. Now, after you finish, just click on next, and now your document is going to load, and you want to now assign these form fields to your people, to the guys that you're trying to sign in. Let's click on confirm. And you need to place your signature field in here, okay? So I'm just going to put it down here on the very bottom, and I'm going to put it here. And this is actually where people are going to sign. Now let's click on send, and that should be done, okay? So if we go to our email now, which is, I'm talking about myself because I put myself as the recipient. As you can see, I have this in-tester send you a document to review and sign. You can review this document. So let's click in here. And this page is going to open. And now we can just click on continue, and we can sign this document from here, okay, if we were the other person. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.